Hi guys. So, kakauwi lang ni Mamshi sa bahay, no? And it's already sakit ng paa ko, guys. Yan oh. Dito ako sa another room na sobrang kalat. Sakit ng paa ko, guys. I don't know. Siguro sa new shoes na binili ko. But anyway, guys, medyo tight kasi siya eh. I think I should buy 6.5 next time. But anyway, andito na nga tayo mga guys, no? Nakatapos na naman ang ilang oras ng shift natin for today. So, another day, another dollar. Charot! Ano yung bago? Anyway mga guys, so today, masaya tayo today dahil dumating na po ang inaantay nating package, no? Like I mentioned on my last vlog na dumating na yun, in order ko na bagong camera. Actually mga guys, ang camera na ito is hindi siya used. Actually, open box siya. Open box kasi dito meaning inopen siguro na nagbili at hindi niya nagustuhan, binalik niya. Pero hindi yan nagamit whatsoever. Ano siya, brand new pa rin siya and it's like in new condition. Siguro nagamit niya kasi sinubukan niya at ayaw niya. Ganun siguro, you know. But anyway, open box kasi siya. Kaya hindi na talaga siya todo unboxing siguro, mga ganun na bagay. Kasi open na siya eh. So, i-re-open natin. Tama ba mga guys? But anyway, yes. So, mangyayari is open natin yung box. I'm so excited. Mas murayta kasi ito mga guys. It's like $27 less compare sa brand new. So, no? Dapat binrand new ko na ng baliw din ako. But anyway, meron din namang I think meron din yung good condition. Mas murayta siya. Pero ayaw ko nun kasi malay mo talagang ginamit na yun like a month. This one kasi, for sure, hindi. Kasi nakalagay, it's like a very, very good condition. Like a brand new condition. Diyan. Actually, alam ko na na-deliver na siya kasi nga nag-notify siya. At saka, alam ko kasi merong mga camera all over ang bahay namin. And then, nagde-detect kasi yan agad kung merong tao. So, pag tingin mo, hala, eto na siya guys. Tandarada. So, ganito yung sinasabi ko. Ayan siya, oh. Nakaano pa siya sa bubble wrap. Cha-cha. And, eto siya. Ayan. So, ayan siya mga guys, Ayan siya, nakalagay. Open box. Ibig sabihin, open box siya. Ayan. May bumili dito at saka binalik. Pero nakalagay siya, very good condition. Ito nga pala ang Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Yes, ayan nakalagay, Creator Combo, ayan. Akala ko may address, wala pala. That's good. So, tingnan natin. Ito na nga siya mga guys. Ayan, empty na siya. Ayan, it comes with, kompleto pa rin siya. Papeles, blah blah. Tapos, ito, I believe ito yung ano niya. Ito nga yung ano niya guys, lagayan niya. So that you can carry this everywhere you go. Tada. Next is ito mga guys. Ito yung the main. May patag pa nga siya mga guys. So, kaya talagang ano. Ganda naman ng ano. Ganda ng opening. Tada! Ayan siya. Comes with may pa-mic siya and all that stuff. Ayan siya mga guys, yung laman niya. Comes with everything. Ito talaga yung ano pinaka. Look at that. See mga guys, meron pang ayan siyang seal naka-sealed pa siya. Diba? So, brand new talaga. For sure naman, sa price ba naman, imagine $27 off lang. So, it comes with this one. And, of course, parang ito ata yung adapter mga guys. I'm not sure yet. I have to study pa. At saka ito yung stand niya. Kung gusto mong mag-vlog dyan, medyo chorba ka. At ito, I believe battery. Hindi ko lang alam mga guys ha, pero titingnan kasi natin mamaya. And of course, comes with cord at saka comes with, alam niyo na, USB cord yan. Ito, comes with manual. Yan, para maistudihan natin. Cha-cha-cha. And, of course, huwag kakalimutan, itong buhok-buhok. Para sa mic to mga guys, no? Para sa, alam niyo na ba eh. Basta ang hangin. And, of course, mga guys, comes with, look at that microphone, guys. Awesome. Ganda na microphone, oh. So, goods na mga guys. So, pupunta nga pala kami ngayon. Hi guys, we're ready. We're waiting for Dad and who else?
Cassandra.
Yan lang ang outfit ni Gabriel,
But
guys.
she's already here.
Yep. And there's Kuya. Bagong jacket yung pinili. So, ako naman guys. This is me. Charut. I'm just wearing my regular slipper. And, you see my new camera? Right there. But I'm waiting for the SD card. So, tara guys. Let's see. Punta kami sa roller skate palang tawag yan guys. Roller skate. So, hindi siya ice skating dahil
You have to take a bunch of stuff.
wala namang ice. Anyway,
There's nowhere to leave it.
sarado lang. Yeah. Sarado lang natin ang mga window. Make sure blinds are closed, you guys. So, let's go guys. Tara. Nandito na kami guys. Diyan sa likod. Oh. Diyan guys. So, hindi sila mag-open until 8 p.m. So, right now, 7:46. Antay lang muna kami dito sa labas. And then, mapasok na kami doon. Wala masyadong tao dito. Are you ready? Gabe. Because you ready for roller skate? Yes. Of course you are. Right? I guess so. Mr. Rose.
Are you following us? Are you showing?
Show her.
That fits good. Alright. dyan. Ewan ko lang kung ano. Baka pagandahan ng skate. Ayan, grabe. Ang daming fell down, guys. Ang sakit ng katawan ko. Ito, iyak ng iyak. Dahil ilang beses na fell down. But that's okay. Ayan. Kasi, yan sila, guys. Ang gagaling nila. Grabe. Sakit ng aking mga legs. Ang katawan ko. Ang sakit. Kailangan pa namin ng practice.
Almost like squid.
Tingnan nyo.
Somebody's trying to fit their cart.
Oh, there you go. Ang laki ng skating area dito.
Let go.
Ayan.
So what happened? That's why you fall. Because you let this go. You gotta keep it on like that. Not go too
Malapit na
fast.
kami matapos dito. Meron din silang pa-snack doon. Pa-snack area, ganun. Meron palaro dyan kung gusto maglaro. At merong locker. Ayan. Gabriel. 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 You have fun? You have fun. At the same time, you're hurt a little bit, right? And it's okay. You big boy. She's working on her skating, guys. She's doing good. We gotta come back here and we should
Next Friday night?
we should practice. And then
Mommy, I already know how.
oh, I know. You're big boy.
So, Mommy, next time do I have to learn? Next time do I have to learn to do like?
Without this? Yeah. It just takes practice, sweetie. When you come here all the time, you're gonna get used to it.
No, like next. No, like next time when we go here, do I have to do it without this?
You can do it with it or without it. Ayan. Go. Skate na. Practice. Kanina pa yan siya nag-practice ng practice, guys. Talagang go-getter siya. Gusto niya talagang matuto. Si Kuya din, gusto niya din matuto. Doon. She's getting better. Ayun na si ate. She's getting better na. And then Kuya, go Kuya! You got it. Cassandra's doing good. She's getting better at it. Ay, nag-practice na si Gabriel, guys. Kanina umiiyak siya.
I'm in first place.
Good job, Gabriel. Keep practicing. You're gonna good at it. Look at Cassandra. She's going. Ito, guys. Good job, Daddy. He's good at it.
She really thinks I'm faster.
Si Ate Cassie is doing good. Andito kami.
Mommy, I had so fun.
So guys, tapos na po kami nag-skating, no? So uwi
Mommy,
na po
I
kami
had
mga
so
guys.
fun.
Oh yeah?
Funner than my tablet.
Right, Han, get your sunny. So it's actually fun, guys. So pauwi na kami kasi anong oras na? Sinulit po talaga namin ang bongga. Yung dalawa o nag-enjoy. Good job. So tara guys, uwi na tayo at saka mag-relax at mag-cellphone at matulog. Charot. That's fun. Guys, ilang beses talaga akong natumba pero okay lang. It's part of learning, di ba? So, natural na talaga. So tara guys, uwi na tayo. Let's go.
I feel like I think
The amount of times I fell.